Good evening everyone, and welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'm making a gizzard and plantain. So I'm going to use the plantain that is not very ripe, because if you use a ripe one it's going to be very soft. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to season my gizzard, then I'll show you how I cut my plantain and the veg. So let's go. Here I've got my onions. I'm going to use this no Maggi. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm going to add little curry. If you have ginger and garlic, you can still add ginger and garlic. I'm going to use rosemary, and I'm using a mixed herb. So I'm going to add some water and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. I'm using a pressure cooker. Why? Because the one I'm using here is the hard type of gizzard. Yeah, so I'm using pressure cooker so that it will be soft. So then I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. Here I've got the plantain. It's not very ripe, so I'm going to cut this way, and this one I'm going to cut it this way. So I'm going to show you when I finish cutting it how it came out. So these are the remaining ingredients for the gizzard and plantain and dodo. So we got all this, and here I have the tomatoes and the Scotch bonnet pepper. This is my oil, and these are the things I'm going to use. So I'll be showing you as I'm cooking. Here I'm going to be showing everything at once. I'm going to show how I'm going to fry the plantain, and how I'll be frying the stew for the GIZDODO. So I have to add the frying oil. Oil is not hot yet. So the oil is hot. And then add so the plantain is ready. So the plantain is fried. It's ready. Because I use the plantain that is not very ripe, so that it's not going to be so soft that you won't be able to scoop it out. You can dice the plantain to any size of your choice. So I'm going to remove this oil and then wash the pot. I'm going to check the zinc. I have to put the pressure cooker in the zinc so that I can use cold water to cool the pressure cooker before I can open it. So I want to check this. So here I'm going to be frying the tomatoes and the pepper. Our pepper has been boiling for 10 minutes. I'm still going to allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. But I'll put all the if you have ginger and garlic, you can add as well. So here I've got the gizzard. I cut it into pieces, maybe into two. So you can see. So here's the gizzard. If you like, you can fry the gizzard, but I don't want it very hard. I will allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. I'm going to add one more maggi. So I'm launching my new pot, my new casserole. At this point, I'm going to add the fried plantain. If you like, you can fry the gizzard if you want it to be hard. But I'm using hard gizzard. If I fry it, it will be too hard. And here I've got my diced peppers. Wow, really smelling nice. That's our gizzard. That's our GIZDODO. So if you like what you have watched tonight, please don't fail to give this video a thumb up, subscribe, share with friends and family. Until we meet again next week at NKY'S Dynamic Kitchen. Bye bye.